Welcome to Best Choice. The best tabletop Christmas tree is probably one of the most charming and versatile decorations to bring festive cheer into even the smallest of spaces, offering a delightful miniature version of holiday grandeur that can be placed on mantels, desks, or side tables, instantly transforming any area into a cozy winter wonderland without the need for a large, traditional tree, making it an ideal choice for apartments, dorm rooms, or anyone seeking a touch of holiday magic that's easy to set up and enjoy throughout the season. Number 5. TotalMount for Apple TV. Experience premium quality, designed right here in the USA. This mount is built to last and enhance your entertainment setup. No matter which generation or model you own, this mount is designed to fit them all. Enjoy seamless compatibility with every Apple TV. Keep your device running smoothly with advanced ventilation. Our design ensures cool air flows freely, preventing overheating. Easily attach it to the back of your TV with our special adhesive, or opt for wall mounting with the included hardware. You choose the best fit for your space. Join countless satisfied customers with a product from the trusted leader in electronics mounting. We've been delivering reliability and innovation since 2007. Your purchase includes the deluxe mount and all necessary mounting hardware. Get everything you need for a quick and easy installation. What we like. This mount is designed in the USA with premium quality. It ensures excellent heat management for your device. If you are looking for a reliable and high-quality mount that is compatible with all Apple TV models, this is the one for you. What people say. This tree is the perfect size for my desk and it looks so festive. I love the little ornaments that come with it, they are so cute and add a lot of charm. The lights are bright and evenly distributed, making the tree look magical. Number 4. Best Choice Products 15 inches Ceramic Christmas Tree. Add a touch of festive charm to your holiday decor with this beautifully hand-painted ceramic Christmas tree. Its glossy finish makes it a stunning centerpiece. This tree comes alive with 64 vibrant lights, including multicolor, red, and white options. It also features a shining star topper to complete the festive look. Forget about batteries. It features a convenient 5-foot power cord with a simple on-off switch, making it easy to illuminate your holiday spirit. Its perfectly sized design allows it to fit on any countertop, table, desk, or fireplace mantel. Bring holiday cheer to even the smallest spaces. Ideal for decorating homes, offices, or classrooms, this tree brings a little holiday cheer wherever it's placed. Enjoy its festive glow throughout the season. What we like. This hand-painted ceramic tree features 64 festive lights and a star topper. Its compact size makes it perfect for any tabletop. If you love a classic, vibrant holiday look and want a charming centerpiece for your desk or counter, this is a great choice. What people say. The tree is very well made and looks great on my table. It's the perfect size for a small space and adds a festive touch. The lights are bright and evenly distributed, making the tree sparkle. Number 3. EAMBRITE 2-feet lighted birch tree. Introducing our charming 2-foot lighted birch tree, a perfect addition to your home decor. With 24 warm white LED lights, it brings a cozy ambience to any space. Enjoy the convenience of dual power options. You can power it using 3 AA batteries or a USB Type-C cable, making it easy to place anywhere. The flexible branches allow you to customize its shape, creating a unique look. They are also strong enough to hold your favorite lightweight ornaments. Easily control the lighting with the built-in timer. Set it to stay on, or use the 6-hour on 18-hour off cycle for effortless ambience. This elegant mini tree serves as both a light source and a stylish jewelry holder. It's ideal for fireplaces, mantels, offices, and festive celebrations. It makes a wonderful gift for holidays like Easter and Christmas, or as a beautiful centerpiece for any table setting. What we like. This 2-foot birch tree has flexible branches that can be shaped as desired and features 24 warm white LED lights. It offers both battery and USB power options, along with a convenient timer function. If you want a versatile, customizable light source for your mantel or office that can also hold lightweight ornaments, this is an excellent option. What people say. This is a beautiful tabletop tree. It is very well made and looks so elegant on my mantel. I love this little tree. It's the perfect size for my desk and the lights are so pretty. This tree is even more beautiful in person. The details are exquisite and it really adds a festive touch to my home. Number 2. PREXTEX 23-inch DIY mini Christmas tree with lights. Bring holiday cheer to any space with this charming tabletop decoration. Its perfect height offers a quick, easy, and joyful way to decorate your home, office, or classroom. Everything you need for instant festive fun is included. The kit comes with a star topper, colorful ornaments, gift boxes, and a bright LED string for decorating. Assemble your tree in minutes and enjoy the magic. Simply insert the stand, spread the branches, hang the decorations, and switch on the lights for a cozy holiday glow. Decorate with peace of mind. The included LED string meets safety standards, providing reliable and worry-free festive lighting for your indoor holiday display. This delightful nearly 2-foot tree makes a perfect gift. It's an easy DIY holiday piece that adds warmth and sparkle to any desk, table, or shelf. What we like? This 23-inch DIY Christmas tree comes with everything you need for instant festive decorating, including ornaments and gift boxes. It's quick to set up and offers a big impact with its multicolor LED string lights. If you're looking for a fun, all-in-one decorating solution for a small space or want an engaging activity for the holidays, this kit is perfect. What people say. The tree is a perfect size for my desk and the lights are bright and evenly distributed. It looks very festive and adds a nice touch of holiday spirit to my workspace. The branches are flexible and easy to arrange, allowing for a customized look. Number 1. Apple TV 4K, 3rd Gen. Experience breathtaking picture quality with support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+. It brings your favorite content to life with vibrant colors and incredible detail. Get ready for an audio experience that surrounds you. With Dolby Atmos, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action, enjoying three-dimensional sound. It's powered by the incredibly fast A15 Bionic chip. This means smoother performance and quicker access to all your entertainment. Navigate your entertainment with ease using the Siri remote. Its touch-enabled ClickPad offers precise control for a seamless user experience. Discover a world of content, from Apple Originals on Apple TV Plus to the latest movies, shows, and live TV. Everything you love is in one convenient place. Expand your entertainment options with Apple Arcade, Apple Fitness Plus, and Apple Music. There's something for everyone to enjoy. What we like? This device offers stunning 4K Dolby Vision and HDR10+ picture quality, along with immersive Dolby Atmos sound. Powered by the A15 Bionic chip, it delivers incredible performance. If you're seeking the ultimate home entertainment experience with access to a vast library of content and seamless integration with other Apple services, this is the top-tier choice. What people say. The tree is very well made and looks beautiful when lit. It's the perfect size for a tabletop and adds a festive touch to any room. The lights are bright and evenly distributed, creating a lovely ambience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.